New collars. With bells. How torturous. Oh, I'm sorry. Oh no, they're just toys. Yeah, they're toys. What is it? What's that thing making noise? Huh? What is that? What is that? Crazy thing. What is that? What is that? Huh? Because I don't like Christmas. What's wrong, sweet pea? Mommy being mean to you. Mommy being mean to you. What's wrong, Micah? Micah? You should come over here. Micah. Come here, sweet pea. Micah, I can't hardly see you. You're too dark. Thanks, and Micah. Micah! You got such a pretty blue collar. Micah. He gets so mad at it, he starts growling. It was the first time he's growled. You gonna growl for us, Micah? Huh? No, you're gonna go hide. Okay.